Once upon a time, in a small town, there lived a poor beggar named Sam. Every day, Sam would sit at the corner of a busy street with his old tin cup, hoping for a few coins to buy food. People passed by, sometimes giving him a little, but most ignored him. Despite his struggles, Sam always stayed kind and polite, never complaining about his situation. One cold evening, as Sam was about to pack up, an old man in ragged clothes approached him. The man had a kind face and twinkling eyes. He handed Sam a shiny coin and said, "This coin will bring you good luck, but only if you use it wisely." Sam thanked the man, but when he looked up, the old man had disappeared into the crowd. Curious about the coin, Sam decided to keep it. The next day, instead of begging, he used the coin to buy a simple broom. He started offering to sweep the streets and clean the front of shops for a small fee. Many shopkeepers admired his hard work, and soon, Sam was earning enough to buy more brooms and hire others to help him. His small street cleaning business grew, and with each passing day, more people wanted to hire Sam and his team. Eventually, Sam saved enough money to open his own cleaning company. He worked hard, treating his employees with kindness and paying them fairly. Years passed, and Sam's business expanded beyond cleaning streets. He started investing in other companies, and before he knew it, he became one of the richest men in the city. People began to call him the Billionaire with a kind heart. One day, as he was walking through the busy streets, Sam spotted an old man sitting in the same corner where he used to beg. The old man looked familiar. It was the same man who had given him the magical coin. Sam smiled, approached the man, and said, "Thank you for the gift you gave me many years ago. It changed my life." The old man smiled back and replied, "It wasn't the coin that brought you fortune, Sam. It was your hard work, kindness, and determination. The coin was just a reminder to believe in yourself." From that day on, Sam made it his mission to help others, sharing his wealth with the needy and teaching them the power of kindness, hard work, and belief in oneself. And so, the beggar who became a billionaire lived happily, inspiring countless others with his story. Moral of the story: with hard work, kindness, and determination, anything is possible, even turning the smallest of opportunities into the greatest of successes.